Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming to you guys with another wig review. So I got this wig off of I got this from Sleek Hair Braiding, and it is a company that is on Instagram. So the way that the wig came packaged for me, it came in these little DHL bags, and as you can see, it says like it was opened and inspected by customs, and then they put it inside of another DHL bag to go ahead and make sure that it was shipped to me. And then inside of those two bags alone, the wig was actually placed inside of this bag, and it says, and as you can see, it says Sleek Braiding, and it tells you the address and everything of where the wig comes from. And yeah, this one, it doesn't really show the website, so I think that she doesn't have her website on her bags yet, but they did just start a website where you can go on and you can see all of the wigs that they make, and you can go ahead and place your order through, you know, PayPal or your credit card and stuff like that to make it more easy for you. This is actually my third wig from sleekbraiding.com. I love them so much because their wigs are full lace, and I think that is awesome for the price that you get. And I think I paid $120 for this wig alone, plus the shipping, which is like another $30 and stuff like that, because they have to ship from Nigeria all the way to the United States. I said I think that they do very, very quality work. If you can see how great this braiding is, and let me show you. When I say full lace, this is what I mean by absolutely full lace. Now, I've ordered from other companies that don't give you this quality because sometimes they may have just, you know, I guess sewn on the extra braids onto a wig cap, and all you get is probably like a little portion of it that they know is going to show through. But this one, every time I've ordered a wig from this company, it is all full lace wigs. I absolutely love them. That's why I keep ordering the wigs from them. Now, like I said, it came in a package. It came in the bag, so it was folded up and stuff like that, which is how you normally get the wig anyway, because it comes in a bag, which means now it's on you to, you know, get it to lay the way that you want it to lay and all of that. So once you put it on your head, you can do some adjustments, and as you can see, the cut is kind of off for me, and because of the way that it is braided, it has like the little lumps and stuff at the top. So what I normally do for these portions of my hair, I get like a bowl of hot water. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it before, where for the ends of the hair, once somebody's done, they just kind of roll it up and stick it in some hot water or stuff like that, and it gets it to really, really curl. Or they do like the little cigarette and they burn it. So for me, when I want it to really lay the way that I want it to lay, I stick this portion right here. I will fold the wig, put it in some extremely hot water, put it on one of my wig heads, not a styrofoam one, not a styrofoam wig head. After I've dipped it in some hot water a couple times, put it on my wig head, and just make sure that I let it lay and dry. And because these parts right here are also crinkled up as well, sometimes I'll even go in there just a little bit more with this portion right here without sticking this in, because I still want these ends to curl and continue to stay curled. So I will put that also in the hot water with these sticking out, and then just put it on my wig head and allow it to dry. Because this hair is thick, and like the braids are pretty thick, they're not small braids, so I will let the wig dry for maybe a day or two to make sure that it lays and is really, really flat. And then I will go back in, and I'm going to make sure that these ends are the way that I want them to be in everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go through that whole process, and then we're gonna come back and we're going to cut the lace off this wig. I'm gonna lay it, honey, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this hair right here. Yeah, we're back with the braided wig that I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, I did a little cutting and trimming to try to get it a little bit more even for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut out the lace, and then I'm gonna put it on my head, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Alright you guys, so my final thoughts on this wig is I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't know if you can see the smile and the happiness that I got going on right now, but I am truly loving this braided wig. Yes, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. So if you want to order this wig, you can go on to Instagram, and her name is Sleek Hair Braided Wigs on Instagram. She's awesome. This is like my third wig that I've ordered from her, and I can honestly say that there is no better quality wig that I have ordered that is braided. I've ordered from other people on Instagram before, but she does a full lace wig braided. Okay, so this is a full lace unit and a lifesaver for people that do not want to stand forever and get their hair braided. Obviously a braided wig is going to be a little heavier on your head, and as you can see, these are not like micro braided plaits either. It is a little bit heavy, but it is still quality, and like I said, I love it. I absolutely love the way that it looks. I've never had my hair braided in this style before, so to buy a wig that is in this style, and I'm truly floored. I cannot say enough about this wig, and I really love the way that it looks. Oh my god, yeah, can't say enough. Yeah, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post a new video to my channel. I'm gonna try to continue to bring y'all these wigs because I know that y'all love them just as much as I do. And once again, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in my next one.